Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select the line, construction line, click here in the midpoint, make a construction line here with 27 millimeters. Okay, remove the construction line type here, select the line, make a line here with 35 millimeters, a line here with 2 millimeters, a line here with 5 millimeters, and close the sketch here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two lines here is 40 millimeters. Okay, go to create, select mirror, select this 4 line here. The mirror line is this construction line, press OK. We have this, okay. Finish the sketch, go to revolve. The axis is the red line here, press OK. Go to modify, select fillet, select this edge and this edge here. This edge and this edge here, the fillet here is 2 millimeters. Okay. Now go to create, select the right plane. Go to create project, include project. Select this face here, press OK. We can hide this body a little bit. Select line, construction line, click here in the midpoint. This construction line has 55 millimeters. Remove here the construction line type, select here, make a line here with 50 millimeters. Another line here and close the sketch here. Go to sketch dimension. The angle between these two lines is 30 degrees. Go to constraints, horizontal, vertical, select this point and this point here. Okay. Now go to mirror, select this 3 line here. The mirror line is this construction line, press OK. Finish the sketch, go to extrude. Select this profile, extrude this. Symmetric, measurement, whole length, distance 70 millimeters. Operation, new body, press OK. We have 2 body here. Okay. Show the only body 2. Go to fillet, select the forehead here. The fillet here is 12 millimeters, press OK. Now go to shell, select these 3 faces here, select the bottom face. The thickness here is 2 millimeters, press OK. We have this. Now go to combine the target body, body 1, the tool body, body 2, operation join, press OK. We have this. Okay. Now go to create a sketch again, select the right plane. Go to create project, include project. Select this edge and this edge here and this arc here. Press OK. Hide the body 1. We have this. Select the line, construction line, make a construction line here. Now click here in this point, make this sketch here. Make a line between these 2 points, go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 2 millimeters. And the angle between this 2 line here is 12.5 degrees. We have this, okay. Go to create mirror, select this 3 line here. The mirror line is this construction line. Press OK. Now go to modify, select offset. Select this 3 lines, this arc and the other 3 line here. The offset here is 3 millimeters. Flip the side. Press OK. Select the line, close the sketch here in this point. Finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this profile here. Show the body 1. Direction here, symmetric. Extended type, all. Operation join. Press OK. We have this. Okay. Now go to create a sketch, select the front plane. Go to create project, include intersect, select this face, press OK. We can hide the body one, make a construction line here. Okay, select this circle, make a circle here with 18 millimeters and another one with 10 millimeters of diameter. Select line, make a line here between the circle and this purple line here. Go to constraints, horizontal, vertical, select this point in the center of the circle, this point in the center of the circle. Go to sketch dimension, select the circle and this point here. The distance here is 31 millimeters. Go to modify, select trim, cut here. Go to sketch dimension, the distance between these two lines here is 32.5 millimeters. Okay, go to create mirror, select these lines here. The mirror line is this construction line, press OK. We have this, okay. Go to extrude, select this to profile here. We will extrude this 35 millimeters. The direction symmetric, operation join. Measurement whole length, press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to create a sketch, select the right plane. Go to create project, include project. Select this arc here and select this one, this face here, okay. Press OK. We can hide this body a little bit. Now select the line, make a line here. Okay, go to constraints, select this point and this point here. Make this a construction line type. Go to sketch dimension, the distance here 20 millimeters. The angle between these two lines here 30 degrees. And the distance between these two lines here 2.5 millimeters. Okay, go to create, select mirror, select this three line here. The mirror line is this construction line, press OK. Finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this profile here. Okay, show the body one. Direction here symmetric, extended type all, operation cut, press OK. We have this. Now go to modify, select the delete. Select this face here, this face here, this face and this face. Press OK. We have this. Now we need to add 1 more millimeter here in this inside face here, but if we try to extrude here, we'll get an error. So we'll make to surface. Go to modify, select unstitch. Remove the chain selection here. Select this inside face here. Just this wall, okay. Press OK. We'll see that we have this surface here. We can hide this surface. We have this, okay. Go to stitch, select this body here, this surface here, and press OK. Now we have only two surfaces here. Go to create, select thicken, select this inside face here. The thickness here is 1 millimeters, and press OK. Operation new body. Now we have this body here, okay, with 1 millimeters. Now show the surface. Go to create, select the boundary fill. Select this body here and this body here, the surface and the body. The selected cells. Select this one here and press OK. Now we have two body here, okay? This one and this one. Okay, we have this body here and this one. Okay, now go to solid, select combine, select these two body here, operation join, and press OK. We have this. Now press letter A in the keyboard, select here face, select this face here, the color here is blue, and select this face, the color here is yellow. Okay, you can, if you don't find the color here, go to fusion appearance and select the paint here, glossy. You can select any color you want. Okay, it's just an exercise. Now check the area of the is yellow face here, it's correct. Now check this blue face, check this area here, it must be the same. Okay, if you make the correct exercise. And to finish this, go to this body here, select the properties, check this volume, it must be the same, and that's okay. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.